Hey there, food lovers! Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and elevate your cooking skills? Are you ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, we've got something special for you. Then you need to check out YesChef. And guess what? We have an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. I've got a special discount just for you. Imagine getting premium ingredients and recipes at a fraction of the cost. Click the link in the description below to get your exclusive YesChef box discount. It's a deal you simply can't pass up. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's a YesChef box? Is it really worth it? Oh, let me tell you, it's a foodie's dream come true. Imagine having access to gourmet ingredients and recipes curated by top chefs. Imagine getting a beautifully curated box of gourmet ingredients, straight from world-renowned chefs, delivered right to your door. It's like receiving a gift every time. It's like having a Michelin star restaurant in your kitchen. You can create dishes that will impress even the toughest critics. Each YesChef box is packed with everything you need to whip up a culinary masterpiece. From fresh produce to exotic spices, it's all there. We're talking top-notch ingredients, easy-to-follow recipes, and even tips and tricks from the pros. You'll feel like a professional chef in no time. It's perfect for anyone who loves to cook, whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned chef. And the best part? It's fun and educational for the whole family. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy it. With our special discount, gourmet cooking is affordable and accessible. With my special discount, you can get your first YesChef box at an unbeatable price. It's a fantastic way to try something new without spending a fortune. Just click the link in the description below and start your culinary adventure today. But wait, there's more. The benefits don't stop there. Not only do you get a discount, but you also get to join a community of food lovers just like you. Share your culinary creations and get inspired by others. Share your creations, get inspired by others, and maybe even find your new favorite recipe. It's a vibrant community where food enthusiasts come together. So what are you waiting for? This is your chance to elevate your cooking skills and impress your friends and family. Click that link, grab your discount, and get ready to impress everyone with your cooking skills. Your kitchen will become the new favorite spot in the house. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Every meal will be a delightful experience. Remember, YesChef boxes make great gifts too. Surprise your loved ones with a box full of gourmet goodness, perfect for the holidays, birthdays, or just because. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Who wouldn't love a box full of gourmet goodness? It's a thoughtful and delicious present. All right, foodies, that's all for now. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your special YesChef box discount. Happy cooking! See you next time. Enjoy your culinary adventures.